Okay, thank you very much. Well, actually, a lot of call to many kind of students. Sir, function, domain range are not taught in this moment. So, I have to clear that last class we have to solve this maths 12 numbers, but I have wanted to watch this mathematics number 14 domain range and graph. It's also clear if you find these books. If you find these books, just domain range and graphs. It's also number 14. Number of 14. So I think that most of students are watching these methods. It's also clear these methods. Many kinds of teachers are also watching these books just for books. If you wanted this method are not easily memorized. This method is so tough in right now in your exam, in front of in your exam. So this methods is so easily. I think that this methods is easily because it's also solve these previous students. Previous student means you are students of 9, 10 and 11 class. It's clear that let y equal to f of x equal to function 2 minus x, whereas x is greater than 1 and x 0 is less than x is less than or equal 1 and minus x is less than or equal 0. So firstly y equal to f of x equal to function. So we have to find this domain range and graph. First of all, graph. You have to also find out in this graph. So let by now y equal to 2 minus x is greater than 1. We have to find in 3 points, mainly 3 points is the lines y equal to 2 minus x. First of all, x is greater than 1 is greater than 2, 3 and 4. Well, actually x equal to 2, then 2 minus 2 equal 0, x equal to 3, then 2 minus 3 is minus 1, x equal to 4, this 2 minus 4 is minus 2. So first of all we have to write now in khata x axis and y axis. You have to point this 2, x equal to 2, 1, 2 and y equal to 0, y equal to 0. Then this point is 0, 2. This point is 0, 2 and x equal to 3, 1, 2, 3 and y equal to minus 1. This the point is minus 1. Minus 1 means this point is minus 1. Well, again x's point is 4, then y equal to minus 2. The y equal to minus 2 means minus 2. Tale x is 4, then minus 2. Tale just 1, 2, 3 points are put up this graph. Well, this the adding 3 points are straight line. So y equal to 2 minus x is the straight line. It's also the expand this line. This also expand this line. Okay. Okay. The next y equal to x, y equal to x, তাহলে this the interval 0 is less than x is less than or equal 1, 0 is less than or equal x is less than or equal 1, y equal to x. This is the origin of the lines. We have to clear all of students. So just for interval is memorized in interval. Interval, this y equal to x is the interval, is the line, is the line. This the interval y equal to x is the interval. Last class is the clear memorize of these lines. So next, y equal to minus x is the boundary. X is less than or equal 0. X is less than or equal 0. Then x is less than or equal 0 means x equal minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, that dot 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 dot. X equal to minus 1, this is the plus 1. X equal to minus 2, this is the plus 2. X equal to minus 3, this is the plus 3. And put up these graph papers. So x equal to minus 1, y equal to 1, y equal, this is the point. Is found out this point. And x equal to minus 2, x equal to minus 2, then y equal to minus 2, this is the point, this is the point. It is find out this point. And x equal to minus 3, x equal to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, this is the point. Here it is also indicate this first, second and third point, or minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is the lines. This is the line passes the origin. This is the line is not a not passes the origin. This is the line is passed through the origin. Just for lines. Just for lines, because x and y is the power at 1. Then obviously you have to clear mind this the lines. Okay, this is the lines, this is the lines passes through the origin. It's also easiest method. This is the find out in graph. Okay, it's also clear all of students or all of friends, no problems. Just graph. It is the graph. In next domain, next our domain, we have to clear this the range is put up this range. List first of all, x is less than 0, x is less than 0, just middle of 0 is less than x is less than or equal 1, and x is greater than 1, x is greater than 1. So 0 is 0, x is less than 0 means 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, up to dot 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 infinity, minus infinity. So we have to 3 points are also okay. So 3 just domain, the x is 0 is third bracket because less than or equal, and it is also minus means dot 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 minus infinity, dot 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 minus infinity. So x is 0 is the first bracket, is x is 1 is the third bracket. It's also y equal to x, that's the systematic 1 and 0 and 1, and 1 is greater than x. 1 means 1, and 1 is the greater than means 1, 2, 3, 4 up to dot 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 infinity. So total values are minus infinity to plus infinity, minus infinity to plus infinity. It is the all of real numbers. Okay. Acha. Lastly, range. Domain is depend on the function is range. Domain is the depend on the above function is the range. You have to clear up my topics and graphs, domain and range. Lastly, x is less than or equal 0. We have to find 0 to minus infinity. Just for putting this values, y equal to minus x, y equal to minus x, y equal to minus x. just 0, 0 is 0, minus infinity, just plus infinity, 0 to infinity. Second interval, 0 is less than x is less than or equal minus 1. Then second interval, y equal to x, y equal to x, just 0 to 1, 0 to 1. And x is greater than 1, x is greater than 1, 1 to infinity, 1, 2 minus 1 means 1, infinity, 2 minus infinity, just infinity, 1 to infinity. It is the open interval. It is the open and closed interval. It is the open and closed interval. Just three intervals are put up this range. Then 0 to infinity, 0 to 1, 1 to infinity. Total values are 0, 0, 1. So last value holo 0. So then last value 0 is the third bracket means it is the first bracket means just 0 and 1. So 0, 1 to infinity, 0 to infinity. So 0 to infinity, it is the domain and range. You have to watching this question, draw the graphs of the function f, which is defined as follows. Then we have to clear this graph, domain and range. Okay, thanks a lot and thanks you. All friends are clear this method, graph, this system and domain, this system and domain depend on the range in the mainly system. It is follow to try and deeply try. Then obviously this marks is 7 or 4. You have to put up this right now in your exam. Obviously you have to 4 marks or 7 marks, 100%. Any sir watching these papers, then automatically 7 is 7 and 6. Question is 6, then you have to got it in 6. Question is 7, then you have to got it in 7. Question is 4, then you have to got it in 4. Okay, thank you so much. Same as number 20. It is the easiest system. Just mainly y equal to, you have to clear y equal to, let y equal to f of x equal to 1 minus x minus 1 to plus 1, 0, 1 to 2, x square minus 4, x is greater than 0. So first of all, y equal to 1 minus x, y equal to 1 minus x minus 1 is plus 1, y equal to 0 just for on in x-axis, y equal to 0 means 0 means x-axis on x-axis, and y equal to x square minus 4, it is the curve. So it is the main point, it is the curve. You have to clear y equal to x square minus 4 just for curve, y equal to 1 minus x just for line. First of all, you have to find out this function y equal to 1 minus x just for line, y equal to 0 just for on in lines, y equal to x square minus 4 just for curves. It is clear or not? Lot of phones are called to me, then sir, your methods are so easiest. I think that obviously you have to clear in this process. So mainly process are watching and deeply thinking, deeply thoughts. So it's also right now in papers in exam, then obviously you have to clear these marks. I think your students is glorious. Then obviously watching this method, you are not watching these books and not memorize these books. You are watching this process, just for process. Obviously you have to collect in good marks, I think that. So first of all, y equal to 1 minus x minus 1 to 1 minus 1 equal, well, minus 1 is 2, minus 1 and 1 is interval 0 and 0 is 1, -1 is interval half, then put up these papers. -1, -1 and 2 and 1 and 2 just for 2. This is the point. And y equal to 0, y x equal to 0, then y equal to 1. So x equal to 0, x equal to 0, y equal to 1. This is the point. This is the point. This is the point. This is the point. And half. This is the half means, that's for half means 1 and 1. This is the point. Okay, fine. Last y equal to 0 is the axis. Y equal to 0 means y equal to 0 means on x-axis. On x-axis. Y equal to x square minus 4. X is greater than 2. X is greater than 2 means 3, 4, 5. That's also infinity. So x equal to 3, then 5, x equal to 4, then 12, x equal to 5, then 21. These points are put in the khata or graph paper. It's not a matter. Graph paper and exam papers, it's also right now in khata this moment, not problem. -1 is +1, 1 to 2, -1 +1, 1 to 2, x is greater than 2. Just -1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 2 means 0, and 2 is greater than x, this 2 is greater than infinity, just for 0 to infinity. Well, it's so easy. Lastly, graph, domain and range. -1, 1, just for 0 to 2, 1 to 2, x belongs to 0, x is greater than 2, x belongs to 0 to infinity. This is the put in values in the range. 0 to 2, 0, 0 to infinity, just 0 to infinity. It is the easiest method, and you have to clear y equal to x square minus 4. Y equal to x square minus 4, x equal to 3, x equal to 1, 2, 3. This is the point. And y equal to 5, y equal to 5. And x equal to 4, x equal to 4. And y equal to 12. This is the point. This is the main thing. This is the main thing. Main thing. And y equal to x square minus 4. It is the curve. It is the curve. So obviously you have to write now in this curve, not a straight line. You have to adding these 3 points just for mainly curve. Mainly curve. This is the curve. It is the curve. And this is the line. And this is the line. So you have to clear this maths. All maths are this same process. I think that you are study 12 and 14 and 20. These 3 maths are important in first year student, honors, non-major and national university, and all of many kinds of students are watching this process. So you have to clear, and all of the students are cleared, and you have to find marks 7, 4 and 3. Obviously you have to collect these marks. So all of friends are okay or clear. It is this process and systematic way. It is so easiest method, I think that. So well, thanks. You have to washing, and you have to clear your mind. I think that you are clear, your friends automatically clear. So obviously you have to share lot of shares and lot of shares. Please, you have to share and subscribe me. So then lot of videos are watching this process just for many kinds of students in calculus 1 It's a easiest books and easiest method. So I think that all of students are examining in this front exam this 100% common. Well, thanks a lot and thanks you.